Hello children and welcome to your channel Sharda Educare. In this series of Pythagoras theorem, we will begin with problem set 2. Let's begin children. So we have question number 3 of problem set. It says that triangle RST, angle S is 90 degree, angle T is 30 degree, RT is given 12 centimeter and it is opposite to 90 degree. So children, it is hypotenuse. We have to find ST and RS. So children, in this triangle, one angle is given 90 degree, the second angle is given 30 degree. So naturally we can find out the third angle of the triangle. So the solution says in triangle RST, angle R plus angle S plus angle T is equal to 180 degree. Sum of the angle of triangle, angles of triangle is 180 degree. Angle R is to be found, angle S is 90, T is 30, which is equal to 180 degree. Angle R, 90 plus 30 is 120, is equal to 180. We will shift 120 this side. Angle R is equal to 180 minus 120, which will be equal to 60 degree. So children, we got angle R as 60 degree. Let's label it. Now in this triangle, if you see, RS we have to find out, and RS is the opposite to 30 degree. And this triangle is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. So I can easily write down triangle RST is 30, 60 and 90 triangle. So therefore, by 30, 60 and 90 theorem. What does 30, 60, 90 theorem says? Side which is opposite to 30 degree is RS. So RS is going to be, RS is equal to half of RT. What is RT? RT is hypotenuse. So RS is going to be half of RT. Let's place the value. Half into RT is 12. 2 ones are 2 6 are. RS is equal to 6 centimeter. We got RS. Now we need to find out ST. ST is opposite to 60 degree. So we can say here ST is equal to root 3 upon 2 of RT. Why ST is root 3 upon 2 of RT? Because ST is opposite to 60 degree. Okay. So root 3 upon 2 into RT is 12. 2 6. So we got ST as 6 root 3 centimeter. Okay, let's write there. So we got this as 6 root 3 centimeter. You can pause the video children and you can solve this sum. Question 4. Question 4 says find the diagonal of a rectangle. This is the rectangle I have drawn, whose length is 16 centimeter. 16 centimeter. And area is 192 square centimeter. So we have to find out the diagonal. What is the meaning of diagonal? Diagonal means when you join the vertices, the midline is known as diagonal of the rectangle. So we want to find out diagonal AC. Let's begin with what is given. Area of rectangle is given 192 square centimeter. See, area is given 192 square centimeter. So we'll begin with that. Solution. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. And how much is area of rectangle? Area of rectangle is 192. And what is length? Length is BC. What is breadth? AB. So BC is equal to 16 into AB, which is equal to 192. Now 192 upon 16 is equal to AB. I am going to bring 16 down and cancel it. 192 divided by 16. 16 ones are 16 and 3. 9 minus 6 is 3. Bring 2 down. 16 twos are 32. So the value which we got is 12. 16 ones are 16, 12s are. So AB we got as 12. And in rectangle breadth we got 12, length is already given 16. We need to find out diagonal, and children, we know each angle of rectangle is 90 degree. So we can say that this angle is 90 degree, this angle is also 90 degree. If I write this angle as 90 degree, just see in this triangle. Okay, so we can write here in triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, if angle is 90 degree, definitely one side is known, other side is also known. We want to find out the diagonal, we can use Pythagoras theorem. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. How much is AB? 12 square plus 16 square is equal to AC square. We know 12 square is 144. So 144 plus 16 square is 256 is equal to AC square. 144 plus 256 400. So we will get AC square as 400. And children, we know that this is square. If this is square, in the next step I can remove that square and I have to put over here square root. If you remove this square, other side you will have to put square root. Under the root will be 400. So AC, which is diagonal, will be equal to under the root 20 into 20. Square root of 400 is 20. So 20 into 20, it will come out as 20. So AC is 20. Therefore, diagonal is equal to 20 centimeter. So we got diagonal as 20 centimeter. You can pause the video, children, and you can solve the sum. Question number 5. Find the length of the side. We have to find the length. Length of what? Side. Side and also the perimeter. Okay. Of an equilateral triangle. You can see one triangle here, children. This triangle is an equilateral triangle. What do you mean by equilateral triangle? Whose all sides are equal. So let's name that triangle A, B, C. Triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle, each angle will be 60, 60 and 60. Whose height is root 3. AM is height. It is given. Okay. AM will be perpendicular to BC. So we can say here height is equal to root 3 and it is given, and as it is height, therefore it will be perpendicular, and therefore AM is perpendicular to BC. Okay. So we want to find out side of the equilateral triangle, each side of the equilateral triangle, and in an equilateral triangle all sides are equal. So here we know each angle is 60, 60. Let's take this small triangle. This is 90, this is 60, and what will be this angle? We don't know. Okay, we can find out. So we can do in triangle ABM, angle B is equal to 60 degree, angle M is equal to 90 degree. Okay, we want to find out this angle. So we can use sum of the angle of the triangle. Angle B plus angle M plus angle A. A means not this full angle, only this half. So BAM. So we can say BAM is equal to 180 degree. Why 180 degree? Sum of all angles of triangles. All angles of triangle, okay, is 180 degree. So angle B is how much? 60. 60. Angle M is 90 plus angle BAM is equal to 180 degree. 90 plus 60 is 150. 150 plus angle BAM is equal to 180 degree. Angle BAM is equal to 180 minus 150, which is equal to 30 degree. So we got angle BAM as 30 degree. So this triangle is 30, 60, 90 triangle. Therefore, triangle ABM is 30, 60 and 90 triangle. This is 60 degree, opposite to 60 degree is AM. So we can say AM is root 3 upon 2 of hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. Okay, so hypotenuse is AB and AM is opposite to 60 degree. So we can say root 3 upon 2 into AB. How much is AB? We want to find out. And AM is given. AM is root 3 already given. Height of the triangle is root 3. Okay. So I'll be shifting 2 up and root 3 down. So what will I get? I'll get root 3 into 2 upon root 3 is equal to AB. Root 3 cancels. Then AB is equal to 2. So one of the side of the triangle is one of the side of the triangle is 2. So all sides will be 2. So we can say AB equal to BC equal to AC, which is equal to 2. And they are asking you to find out perimeter. Yes, perimeter of the triangle. So what is perimeter of the triangle? Perimeter is equal to perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 3 into side, one of the side. All sides are 2 only, na? 3 into side. That is 3 into 2, which is equal to 6 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle ABC is equal to 6 centimeter. This is what it was asked to find out. You can pause the video, children, and you can solve the sum.